Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon nail kit. Start by unboxing your Amazon nail kit and laying out all the tools. Before you begin, make sure your nails are completely clean and dry, free from any old polish or oils. Gently push back your cuticles with the cuticle pusher, then carefully file and shape each nail to your preferred length and style. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and lasting application. Now, apply a very thin, even layer of the base coat to all 10 nails, avoiding the cuticles. Cure this layer under your LED or UV lamp for about 60 seconds. Next, apply your first thin coat of gel polish color. Remember, thin coats are key. Cure this for another 60 seconds, then repeat with a second thin coat of color, curing again for 60 seconds. To finish, apply a thin, even layer of the top coat over your colored nails. This layer provides shine and protection. Cure the top coat under the lamp for 60 to 90 seconds, depending on your lamp's wattage. After curing, use a cleanser wipe to remove the sticky inhibition layer. Finally, massage a small amount of cuticle oil around your nail beds to hydrate and nourish them. With proper application, your gel manicure should last beautifully for 2 to 3 weeks. To maintain it, avoid picking or peeling the polish, as this can damage your natural nails. When it's time for removal, gently file off the top coat, then soak your nails in acetone for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to reapply cuticle oil regularly to keep your cuticles and nails healthy and hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.